Samson? Beautiful.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan here. Welcome to my channel, The Jonathan Soto. Today I'm going to have a special guest with me. I'm going to have my niece Bella, and we're going to be making slime. Ooh. So if you're interested in learning how to make slime with me and Bella, keep on watching. So Bella, what do we need to make the slime? What are we going to need?
Baking soda.
Okay, we have baking soda here.
Solution.
What kind of solution? So we're gonna need the solution that you use to cleanse your contacts. We just bought the store brand one from Target. And what else?
Glue.
Glue, what kind of glue? You can't just say glue. You guys have to get the Elmer's glitter glues like these. So we have a gold one and we have the purple one that we're gonna be using. And then what else?
A scooper.
Okay, she means we're gonna need the tablespoons and teaspoons. And then we're gonna need two little bowls where we're gonna be mixing. And then plastic spoons to mix.
And a container.
And a container to preserve it after you're done with it. This is pretty easy, it's pretty fun. So, Bella's gonna go ahead and tell us how to do it. So let's start it. Okay, so what are we gonna do first?
We're gonna dump the whole glue.
Okay, so you're gonna get your glue and we're gonna dump it in our bowls. So I'm gonna do the purple one, you do the gold one.
I love gold. Look at mine.
Gooey.
Cover a
Look at
little.
how cool it looks, you guys.
Look at mine, so goldy.
This is like really easy to make, you guys. It's inexpensive, it's fun, it's a great family activity. So now Bella has poured all her glitter into the bowl, and so have I.
Now it's baking soda time.
So now we have to add the baking soda, of course. So how much of the baking soda are we adding? Remember, it was half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon.
Oh, but we
And
don't.
then this is the... Okay. Ugh. Okay. Ew. Right through her hair. Gross. And then
Now to mix it.
okay. How it looks, you guys.
Now it's time to add the solution.
So how much solution are we gonna add? This solution. How much are we adding of the solution? It's already on? It's already open?
I don't know.
Okay, so I think it's, you said one whole big tablespoon. That's a lot.
Looks like water.
Okay, one of these.
Now mix it.
Wait, you're missing more.
It's so watery. Turn it to slime a little. You have to mix it now.
I think you're missing a little bit more. Here, let me add 1/4 of it. Just so we're on the safe side. Look, this matches my shirt, Bella.
I know. Oh my god.
Careful. Okay. You guys can always add a little bit more baking soda if it's not like not being sticky, then that means we need to add a little bit more just so it kind of takes away the stickiness from it.
My hands feel weird on this one.
So you can't be afraid to get dirty when you do this. Okay, so we are done.
And it's sticky.
So if for some reason your slime is like still sticky, then maybe you need to add a little bit more of the solution, add a little bit more baking soda. It needs to like not stick to your
hands.
Right?
Like mine is not. Yeah.
Show everyone your slime. Ooh. This is fun.
I know.
This is pretty fun. So then, once you're done with your slimes, You can get these little
like jars.
These little plastic jars that you can get like at Michael's, and then you can safely store away, like for example, Bella's gonna use her gold one right now. We can store away the other one in here and it won't dry out. And then you can just, they have this glue in like every color. Like they have it in silver, they have it in orange, they have it in blue. You could even add, you could even buy
some
glitter on the side and then even add more glitter so it's even more like glittery. You can even make these glow in the dark from what I've heard. But this is, I mean, this is super fun. It's like fun to play with, right? What do you like to do with your slime? Why don't you tell them what you do with your slime?
Sometimes I do this to it because I like it.
Okay, this is pretty fun. I mean, so that is how we do slime. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and share and do all the other stuff. It's 2018. You should know what it is when it comes to YouTube. Yeah.
Bye.
Show them your slime as you say bye.
Bye.